Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and healthy. I am Mit Gandhi from IIM Sambalpur. I scored 99 percentile in the quant section in the CAT 2019. With only a few days remaining to CAT 2020, we would like to share some last minute tips on how to crack the quant section. We all know that the CAT exam has been altered with the time limit cut down to 2 hours instead of 3 hours. Consequently, the time limit per section is reduced to 40 minutes instead of 60 minutes. With no further delay, let us get started. Here, we can assume the quant section could get approximately 22 to 24 questions, out of which 16 to 18 would be MCQ type of questions and 6 to 8 would be TTA type of questions, that means non-negative type of questions. So how to respond to such a change and how to score 99 percentile? Well, the answer is straightforward. Revise the concepts and formulae. A few tips from our side would be: first, chillax. Stop panicking about the paper pattern because that is not in your control. Instead, start focusing on your preparation. Second, please do not start a new topic. Revise the old topics or the topics in which you are strong. Third, revise the mistakes you had made in the old mocks. And you can give 2 to 3 mocks if you wish, but only and only after revising your mistakes. Because there is no such formula that says number of mocks is equal to this much of percentile. Now coming on the D-Day, structure your quant section in the A, B and C approach, where A stands for attempt ASAP, easy questions that can be solved under 1 minute. B, that is behold, the concept you know but the questions can take much time. And C, chuck it. The first task would be to find questions that can be solved under 1 minute, that is A category type of questions. There would be 8 to 10 such type of questions and this would take 10 minutes of your time. Now allot your time to B category type of questions and then try to attempt C category type of questions if you aim to score 100 percentile. My advice would be to revise B and C, logs and functions because there are pretty straightforward type of questions from these topics. Just revise the basics. Last but not the least, get a good night's sleep. Do not do anything on 20th November. Try to relax and calm your mind before you start attempting the questions. All the very best for your exams and focus on the ultimate goal of life where CAT is one of the hurdle. Stay safe and stay healthy.